Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Easy Glaze. This is the 2019 Chevy Bolt. I made a few videos on this car now, but I gotta ask you guys, whoever has a Bolt, let me know down in the comments. This is the only complaint I have about this car. When I get out, or my passengers, which are my kids, oh man, the door is just slamming. Like, let's see if I can get it on video. That sounded pretty soft, but these doors slam, and even the trunk. Look, watch this. I'm gonna try to get the sound on here without getting my plate, but you see that? Barely brought the trunk down, and it just slams. So all four doors and the trunk, it slams. Now, let me know down in the comments if you have the same issue. Let me see if I could get the loud sound on the passenger door. Wow, did you hear how loud that was? I barely swung that. Now, what I'm thinking is, over time, are we gonna have issues with these doors, having to replace the hinges or something like that? Let me know down in the comments. Other than that, I have no complaints about this car. It's a beautiful car. Let me know down in the comments. Oh, and mind you, so I just brought this recently. You will see in previous videos. So currently this car only has 32,000 miles on it. It is a 2019, but it only has 32,000 miles on it. All right, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and of course comment. Later.